Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Confirm your carrier plan and data cap so you avoid surprises, and check APN settings to ensure network compatibility. Charge the hotspot to 100% or connect to power. LED colors tell you signal and battery state. Next, locate the default SSID, password, and admin PIN on the device label. Keep them visible. Once done, press and hold the power button until LEDs flash. This begins the device boot and first handshake with the cell network. Now connect. On your phone or laptop, scan for the hotspot SSID and enter the password provided. Once connected, open the admin page, usually 192, 168, 0, 1, or follow the gateway printed on the device. Log in with the admin PIN. From there, rename the SSID, create a strong password, and change the admin PIN to protect access. Also enable WPA2 or WPA3 security. Lock unused bands, and set a data usage alert so you can monitor consumption in real time. Finish by optimizing placement. Put the hotspot near a window and higher elevation to improve signal. Avoid enclosed metal or crowded USB hubs that block reception. Update firmware immediately to patch bugs, enable an auto-reboot schedule to keep performance stable, and set data alerts to avoid overages. Finally, test with multiple devices and run a speed check. If things go wrong, restart the device, re-verify APN and SIM seeding, and contact your carrier with diagnostics ready for quicker support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.